drawings. So how do the illustrators get these images? They often rely on CAD users to open up the CAD model, orient it in a precise position, explode the assembly, take a screenshot of it, or export it to a 2D format, and then they hand it off to them. If the illustrator needs another view, the CAD user must repeat the process. It's no wonder that CAD users view this process as low-value add and may not be responsive to illustrators' requests. What happens if there's a change to the product? Well, illustrators have to go back to the CAD user for updates and then manually reapply their own changes. Often illustrators don't even find out about changes to the product that would require illustration updates, so publications do not reflect the configuration of the product on the shop floor or in the field, resulting in increased costs. Making the CAD system accessible to the illustrators is typically not a good answer to the problem, as these tools are very heavy for illustration and don't deliver the necessary quality. The result is a great deal of time spent on cleanup to reduce complexity and file size. Arbortext Iso Draw can bridge the gap. Arbortext Iso Draw allows you to synchronize illustration creation with your product development process. Through the option to use linked 3D CAD data from engineering managed by Windchill or standalone, you get the capability to apply engineering changes to your illustration whenever you want. Illustration work can start earlier and may help improve your time to market. Arbortext Iso Draw offers illustrators exactly the right tools for the efficient creation of illustrations independently from engineering resources that automatically reduces effort on both sides. 3D CAD data from the design department can be used just as easily as scanned drawings or photographs. Arbortext Iso Draw automatically creates high-quality illustrations that will reduce typical editing effort from the first day on. Through higher illustration throughput, more illustrations can be created and translation costs can be saved. Arbortext Iso Draw can integrate all your existing illustration data to get one reliable illustration archive. The ability to use existing data for technical illustrations allows considerable savings potential to be realized, as significant costs for redrawing illustrations are avoided. CAD-driven illustrations allow organizations to quickly and correctly provide illustrations in sync with product availability. With the increased accuracy and association between illustrations and CAD data, greater compliance and governance is achieved. Additionally, there are significant cost savings associated with less translation and localization of text, and with producing more illustrations faster, and in some cases displacing outsourced illustrators. And finally, tremendous benefits are greatly realized outside of engineering and publications departments, in the field where up-to-date and precise illustrations are supporting day-to-day operations and services of products, contribute to better product performance, fewer service errors, and overall higher customer satisfaction. Arbortext Iso Draw is the unique all-in-one illustration solution that allows you to handle all relevant illustration resources in one application and one file format for your valuable illustration assets. Leverage your rich 3D data and combine it with photos, newer existing 2D illustrations, and even with 2D and 3D animations. Update your illustrations associatively with minimal effort when engineering design changes are made. Manage your associative illustrations in the PDM system with a seamless XML-based authoring integration. Furthermore, IsoDraw allows you to define interactive illustrations in web-based interactive documents that comply with worldwide standards like S1000D, ATA, and WebCGM. Equally important, IsoDraw offers unique drawing capabilities for illustrations drawn from scratch or where enhancements and further clarity are required. So now it's time to wrap up. Does anybody have any questions about today's material?
At this time, all the microphones have been unmuted, so feel free to ask any questions you might have. Again, we want to thank you for coming out today. You can always visit us at ProductSpace.com, and if you do have any questions after the meeting, feel free to give myself or Bill a call. My name is Nick, and you can reach us at 630-495-2999. Our website is ProductSpace.com. Next week's topic is going to be on product view, which is a topic that is going to explain a little bit more about the viewer that PTC offers in its applications, and also to others to look at the different CAD and other documents or drawings that are out there today. That's going to be a great topic, and we hope to see you all next week. And again, my name is Nick. You can always reach us at 630-495-2999, and a website to reach us at is ProductSpace.com, and we look forward to catching up with you all in the future, and feel free to give us a call anytime. Thank you all for attending today.